Today's multimedia technology requires sound systems that are powerful, compact, and versatile. And AmpliVox Line Array Speakers are just what you need. AmpliVox, a manufacturer of high-quality portable PA systems, lecterns, and multimedia furniture, are experts in designing and building reliable speakers that adapt to a variety of multimedia applications. The AmpliVox SW1234 Line Array powered speaker with wireless mic has all these features. It includes a built-in 50-watt amplifier and 16-channel wireless receiver, plus your choice of wireless microphone, headset and lapel, flesh tone over ear, or handheld. The speaker is rated at 4 ohms and 400 to 12,000 hertz frequency response. It comes with 2 different mounting brackets, C-shape for wall or frame mounting and L-shape for rack mounting. The amplifier has these features: RCA output jacks, DC adapter connector, main volume control, microphone volume control, mini jack input and output, and microphone combo jack for XLR or 1/4 inch. Whatever your application, choose AmpliVox Line Array Speakers. Extend your voice with AmpliVox.